So here's the Yardworks 18-inch reel mower. I just finished self-refurbishing it. I did as much as I could, and now everything is smooth. Tons of WD-40 and 3-in-1 silicone lubricant. Alright, and yeah, those are the pizza boxes that I was using to protect my pavement from all those leaky lubricants and oils. Now, to show you how smooth this thing is. Okay. Alright, the back wheel. Alright, the left back wheel. Alright, not a lot of wobble. And not a lot of wobble. Tighten these screws right up. And we can self-height adjust. Over here. Let's see. Maximum height. Okay, there we go. And over here. Maximum height. Still smooth. But what about these front wheels? Before we get to that, check out these treads. Still visible. Very light use. It's because our neighbor keeps on no mowing our lawn, so we haven't really gotten a chance to use this baby. The treads on the other wheel, back wheel. Yeah. Okay. Alright, the front wheel time. Whoa. Okay, I'll just hold it up like this. Yep, well oiled. Oh, here, this is a better angle. Not a lot of wobble. Tread still intact. And over here. Well, hold on, that wasn't a good one. Here we go. A little bit of a wobble. Not too concerning. Okay, and here are the tire treads. Still on. Now, there is one defect I found. There's a little crack right here on this wheel cover that prevents grass from going in and rusting the nut. There's a little crack right there. Don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. That's where the crack is. You can pop these off, and then you can start lubricating inside there. Now, I also lubricated the bottom of this thing. Scrubbed it with Scotch-Brite and WD-40, so you can still see some shine on it. Yeah, here we go. Scrub this shaft clean. And the blades. Yeah, I scratched most of the rust off using Scotch-Brite and WD-40. Here, you can examine each one. Alright, now for the middle section right here. And the right section right here. As you can see, there's not really many brown spots of rust. I Brillo pad the heck out of this thing. And I shot some 3-in-1 lubricant right there, on these screws, on the spring, on that screw, on that one, and the same on this side, this, right in there, right in there. In fact, I took off this whole wheel and shot it right in there. And then I cleaned the inside of the wheel because there's actually a little gear assembly in there. I did it on this side, and I replaced the gear. I just cleaned up the gear assembly on this side. Now there's some unique things about this lawnmower. I mean, this reel mower. The thing is, when we got it, it came with these wing nuts, but they quickly sort of came off, so we had to do replacing of some of them. These are the originals, but then we put on some over-engineered crazy ones over here, here, and here. That's 3 down over here by the handle, and 1 up there. Oh! Now on the handle, some of the foam's starting to come off. Yeah, this one right here. Yeah. So, good thing your hands aren't really up there. Usually they're over here. Now, I'm gonna bring this thing out for a spin. No other damage on the foam. Just this portion right here. It's been kept in our shed over here for all this time, so it hasn't really seen a lot of use. Now, let's go test this thing out. So you can see here I'm arcing it up so that only the bottom wheels spin. Yep. Now I'm going to arc it down and stabilize this camera. Alright, now, does it cut grass? Oh, not enough speed. Alright, back down the line. Man, this grass is tall. And that is the Yardworks Reel Mower, 18 inches. Hope you enjoy. Please buy it from me.